Huge victory this week for the LGBTQ community. The Fourth Circuit of Appeals ruled on a 2-1 decision that Virginia's gay marriage ban is unconstitutional. Yes, America, it is true. Gay couples won't immediately be able to get married in Virginia, according to BuzzFeed explained. This is how BuzzFeed explained it. We love BuzzFeed. That the judgment won't take effect until a mandate is issued, which will occur a week after the time to file, to rehear the case, or as soon as the rehearing date expires, then you'll be allowed to get married in Virginia. And this is what the court said, which I think is interesting in his decision. On the decision of the judge, Judge Henry Floyd, he wrote, "We recognize that same-sex marriage makes some people deeply uncomfortable. However, it's not a legitimate basis for denying same-sex couples the due process and equal protection under the law," which is exactly how I feel about this whole thing. So yes, there's people out there, including Michelle Bachmann, and Ted Cruz, and Rand Paul, and the whole Republican Party, who believe that they're uncomfortable with gays and, with same-sex marriage. They're very uncomfortable. They hate it. They hate the ideal of it. They hate what it stands for. But hell, people hate a lot of things. I hate the Republican Party and what it stands for. Oh, but hate's a strong word. I dislike the Republican Party, what it stands for, but I tolerate them. I deal with them. I mean, hell, I also hate when the pizza man is late, but I deal with it. Right? I don't go and say, hey, let's go murder the pizza man because he was late with my pizza delivery today. I also hate the fact you have to stop at streetlights. I hate traffic. I hate rush hour traffic. I hate people who don't know how to drive. I hate people who drive with their cell phones. I hate people when you get on airplanes who don't know how to put their baggage in the overhead compartment, or the people on airplanes who don't know what seat they're sitting in and they keep looking around. It says 14D, it's 14D. But guess what? I tolerate them and I deal with them. I hate people who travel with little kids on planes, but that's another story for another day. Either way, I hate a lot of things. A lot of things make me uncomfortable. Cat food makes me uncomfortable. But you don't see me going out there saying we should boycott cat food. So I don't understand why there's all these people out there who are uncomfortable with gay marriage, and that's perfectly fine. Be as uncomfortable as you want to be in the privacy and the comfort of your own home. But in the mainstream public and in the culture of this country, same-sex marriage is something that a majority of Americans think is a good idea, including a majority of millennials. So stop with all this malarkey about how we don't want them to get married. We're going to do everything in our power to stop them. Because really, this is about equal protection under the law, due process. This is about absolute and positively, this is about due process. For all those people who say it's unconstitutional for gay folks to get married, let me tell you what's unconstitutional. DOMA is an unconstitutional law. And you know the reason why it's unconstitutional? Because why it was overturned, beyond the fact of, beyond the due process clause, it's also an expansion of the commerce clause or of congressional power. Either way, if you're uncomfortable with gay marriage, get the hell over it.